Introduction. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the future of artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize our lives in many ways. In recent years, we've seen incredible advances in AI, including the development of self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and facial recognition software. But what does the future hold for AI? In this video, we'll explore some of the potential applications of AI in the future, as well as some of the challenges that need to be addressed in order to ensure that AI is used for good. The potential of AI. The potential of AI is truly limitless. AI has the potential to 1. Automate tasks that are currently performed by humans, freeing up our time for more creative and fulfilling pursuits. 2. Improve healthcare by providing personalized treatment plans and diagnosing diseases earlier. 3. Solve complex problems such as climate change and poverty. 4. Create new forms of art and entertainment that are beyond our current imagination. The potential benefits of AI are vast and exciting. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. The challenges of AI. One of the biggest challenges facing AI is the potential for bias. AI systems are trained on data that is often biased, reflecting the prejudices and biases of human society. This can lead to AI systems perpetuating discrimination in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another challenge facing AI is the potential for misuse. AI could be used to develop autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. AI could also be used to manipulate information, control infrastructure, and even start wars. Ensuring the responsible development of AI, it's essential that we address these challenges in order to ensure that AI is used for good. We need to develop AI systems that are fair and unbiased, and we need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the development and use of AI. We also need to have an open and informed discussion about the ethical implications of AI. We need to foster public awareness and engagement in shaping the future of this powerful technology. Conclusion. The future of AI is a bright one, but it's also a challenging one. We need to be mindful of the potential risks of AI, but we also need to be excited about the potential benefits. By working together, we can ensure that AI is a force for good in the world. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about the future of AI, there are a number of things you can do. 1. Read about AI research. 1. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries. 2. Talk to experts in the field of AI. 2. They can give you a first-hand perspective on the latest developments. 3. Get involved in the conversation about the ethical implications of AI. 3. Your voice matters. By taking these steps, you can help to shape the future of AI and ensure that it is used for good.